Hello and welcome back. Let's give you a little intro about some factors that really affect your business and why it's coming up on Google as it currently is. So with localized organic search, Moz produces really cool estimated search engine ranking factors. So it's estimated because only Google really knows what emphasis it places on each factor, but after a lot of data and after a lot of years, we can really start to figure out what it's placing emphasis on. So the biggest chunk of, the second biggest, the biggest chunk, let's start with that, is on-page signals. So basically, it's what your website is communicating to Google, what your website is communicating to the audience. To give you a brief picture of this, we'll keep going back to Ministry of Hair because it's just a really good example. You can instantly say, and you can tell that they do hair. Ministry of Hair, create an extraordinary hair as their slogan. And then they've got woman, which I'm assuming says woman hair, men, men's hair. Yep, woman, bring out the best possible. And so basically, you know straight away that they do hair and they do haircuts. Through this, if you actually read it, they've got the keywords like hair inside the text as well. So this is the title. The title is basically, the title is the most important on-page factor of your website. So the big block that initially people will read, that's what the title is. So if you have the keyword, in their case it's hair, in the title, Google's going to know that you're pretty confident that you do hair, and people, it's the first thing they see is that you do hair as well. So it's a great indication for Google that these guys do hair, and they obviously do it pretty well since they only talk about hair throughout their whole website. And it also takes into effect like similar keywords. So as you can see, like a salon is a similar keyword for hair and haircuts. Curly, fine, and formal are different hair types. Colors are also associated to hair, men and women hair as well. Products, they sell hair products as well, scalp care, long hair, frizzy hair, etc. So all these things build into this one clear, unified message that Ministry of Hair sells hair. Ministry of Hair sells haircuts and hair care, and that's all they do. And because of all those factors, again, it's the biggest ranking factor, and that's a big reason why they come up here on the local, and they also come up #1 on organic. So doing local is a really great excuse for getting your organic in line as well. For example, when we did our local SEO, we actually found that a majority of our keywords jumped from page 10 plus, so like page 30, page 50. They all jumped from so far down Google onto the front page. It's because we aligned and unified our message, and it really made it clear to Google what we talk about, and it made it clear to the people that jump on a page what we do. So as we go through, you'll not only be boosting your local SEO, but you'll also be boosting your organic, which is really cool, which means more customers, more visitors on your website, and more sales through your door. So that's the first ranking factor. I'm going to split these up into different videos. So in the next video, we'll be talking about the link signals. So I'll see you there.